Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Chaves Ultramar Liberation 229 here with me for a quick review. Also, quickly, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. That was quick. And let's check this guy out. This is a pretty cool one. It's made in China, Ultramar overseas. I believe by Riyadh Knives. This is the Liberation 229. It is a version of the custom knife from Chaves, and this is the affordable version, like production version of the custom. Really quick checking the blade length. You notice that it has like a 3.5 inch long cutting edge and a 4.5 inch long handle. The overall length of this fella is going to be 8.25 inches. So interesting one. It's a classic Chaves look. You have these sharp corners on the heel of the blade. You have, iconic pocket clip right over there. It is a titanium frame lock, titanium backspacer, titanium pocket clip, stainless steel lock face insert. You get M390 steel blade, nice belt grind lines, flat grind. You have dual thumb studs, which are pretty functional, working very, very well, even in the reverse spidey flick, reverse flick, sorry, or spidey flick. Thumb stud opening like that is just gorgeous. Flies open. This is one of the best thing about this knife. You kind of have like a functional finger choil and a nice finger groove right over here. It is it's well made, great action, snappy, and as soon as the detent overcomes the look at that, you get the pretty cool drop shot action right there. Let's quickly check the weight of this fella, because there's no internal skeletonization. You have a full weight knife, weighing in at 5.87 ounces. It's not a lightweight one. Sounds very cool. Oops. And it also feels great in the hand. I'm getting a little bit of a sharp edge right there, but here we are good. Like choke up a little bit, just like that, missing a little bit of jimping, and we are done. So there you have it. If you want to know more, guys, you can check out my full-length video. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.